leg is almost crushed!
I knew he's gonna get tired swinging.
Heading to the other side of the road or you will get hurt.
Come on, Dad.
I'm trying, but my bicycle is long! No one will ever catch me. Ooh, tell it to! Why are you so fast? Look out! Where is he going?
I had a crash landing, and I almost got hurt. Beside the owie.
I know, but have you ever heard of my twin?
Yes, I heard that.
Our twin was awakened and he's... Yeah, we'll show them all my inventions for itself.
I hope that is going to be all right.
I guess I will see you tomorrow.